So today's topic is unveiling insights with clustering. A deep dive into data analytics analysis. Clustering is quite an important segment of machine learning, widely used with many applications. So what's clustering? Clustering is a fundamental technique. It's an unsupervised machine learning. You don't have the response variables, no labels for the response variables. It involves grouping similar data points or similar items together based on the features and no predefinition of labels or target variables. So cluster is used to discover hidden patterns, structures, and relationship in data, making it a valuable tool in various domains. If you do not know what to find, do clustering. It will lead you to help you to identify the similar items. The goal of clustering is always making subgroups of data. Given a set of data points, each described by a set of attributes or features or feature vectors, you find clusters in such a manner. One, intercluster similarity is maximized, that is, the distance between two clusters are maximized, and intracluster similarity is minimized. The distance within the cluster is minimum. So that's the goal of clustering in simple terms. There are two types of clustering. The figure indicates that. Okay. One is partition algorithms. Construct various partitions and then evaluate them by some criteria. Examples are k-means clustering and k-medoid clustering. And the other type of clustering is hierarchical algorithms. Create a hierarchy decomposition of set of objects using some criterion. See, the first one is hierarchical and the other one is partitional. These are the only two types of clustering, nothing more. There are large number of applications of clustering. I will try to list a few. Most important is you can use it for customer segmentation. Businesses, companies use clustering to segment their customer base, into distinct groups based on what? Demographics, purchasing behavior, their preferences, or other attributes. So once you do this, it helps you to carry out targeted marketing, personalized recommendations, etc. The other important application of clustering is image segmentation. Clustering techniques are applied in computer vision tasks such as image recognition, like recognizing handwritten text, or even facial recognition. And the third thing is the document clustering. It's one of the widely used applications of clustering where you can classify the documents. It's used in natural language processing and text analysis to group similar documents together. You can use clustering also to detect anomalies like network intrusion detection in cybersecurity and equipment failure prediction in manufacturing, fraud detection in finance. Banks should note it. Carry out clustering often. The fourth is social network analysis. Social network is quite pervasive now. Clustering helps in understanding the structure of social networks by identifying groups of individuals with similar connections or interests or tastes. Some more applications are recommendation system, a recommender system to group similar uses or items together. Say book recommendation system or movie recommendation system. It enables personalized recommendation for products, movies, music, or other content based on their preferences or similarities. Traffic analysis to identify patterns and group similar traffic flow. Helps the police to aid in traffic management, congestion prediction, route planning, and intelligent transport system. Healthcare is another big area where clustering can be gainfully employed with dramatic results. For patients are grouped based on similar medical conditions, symptoms, or treatment responses. It helps in personalized medicine, treatment planning, and improving patient outcomes. So these are some of the applications. In fact, when I'm preparing the course, I use the Kaggle data as usual, and from one data I could get 5 classes. They are high income, low spending rate of customers, small customers. High income, low spending rate. Average income, average spending rate. High income, high spending rate. Low income, high spending rate. Low income, low spending rate. Suppose you reduce it to 3 clusters, then you'll get a different pattern. So that will help the organizations like big organizations like Walmart to stock their products. So I have uploaded a large number of videos in Subbaraj Academy. That's our training academy. I have put a complete course on clustering, what I'm talking about. It comprises of 7 lessons. Okay, it's a comprehensive exposure of clustering. After introduction, we talk about K-mean clustering, K-medard clustering, and the elbow method in the dendrogram to determine the number of clusters, and agglomerative clustering, and finally, the clustering evaluation metrics. So where to find Subbaraj Academy app? If you're comfortable with the web, you go to https web.classplusapp.com. It will ask your telephone number, it will ask your mobile phone number. It may also ask you what is the organization code you are searching. The organization code of Subbaraj Academy is HVFES. You give that, you will be able to enter. If you have an Android telephone, you can download from Play Store. If you have, the iPhone, then download Class Plus app, where you can find Subbaraj Academy. In any other methods, you should be able to get the app where you'll find all the 7 videos. What you will do? You may find 27 videos hosted by Subbaraj Academy in YouTube. A number of videos number of videos in Subbaraj Academy app. Number of videos, maybe 60, 70 videos. Enjoy all the videos, but don't forget to subscribe. Unless you subscribe, you will not get notification of when I release on new releases. Furthermore, it will encourage me to do more work. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again. Bye bye.